Most important and high weightage topics in chemistry for JEE Mains 2024 exams. Hello everyone, fellow learners and future engineers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Enlighten JEE, where we explore the exciting world of engineering and technology. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic about your success in the upcoming JEE Mains 2024 exams. Chemistry is an important subject for the JEE Main exam, and being familiar with the topics and their weightage is crucial for candidates preparing for the JEE Main 2024 exam. The NTA Reduced Syllabus for the JEE Mains 2024 exam makes it essential for candidates to identify the key chapters. We'll be discussing the most important and high-weightage topics according to the updated syllabus in chemistry. Knowing where to focus your efforts can make a significant difference to your exam performance. Let's get started. The JEE Main Chemistry syllabus is divided into 3 sections: Physical Chemistry, Inorganic Chemistry, and Organic Chemistry. Section A. Physical Chemistry has a weightage of around 32% to 36%. Breakdown of the weightage and chapters for Physical Chemistry. High weightage chapters 20% to 24%. Chemical Equilibrium, Thermodynamics, Chemical Kinetics. Number 1. Chemical Equilibrium. Law of mass action and equilibrium constant. Understand the law of mass action governing equilibrium reactions. Apply it to calculate equilibrium constants for different chemical reactions. Factors affecting chemical equilibrium. Grasp the impact of changes in concentration, temperature, and pressure on chemical equilibrium. Apply Le Chatelier's principle to predict the direction of shifts in equilibrium. Buffer solutions. Comprehend the concept of buffer solutions and their significance in maintaining constant pH levels. Acid-base equilibria. Understand the characteristics of different acids and bases. Master equilibrium calculations involving acid-base reactions. Solubility equilibria. Grasp the concept of solubility product and its application in equilibrium calculations for sparingly soluble salts. Number 2. Thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. Understand the concept of energy and its transformations in various processes. Calculate enthalpy changes for different thermodynamic processes. Second law of thermodynamics and entropy. Understand the concept of entropy and its role in determining spontaneity of reactions. Relate entropy changes to free energy changes. Number 3. Chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics and rate laws. Understand the factors influencing the rate of chemical reactions. Grasp the concepts of reaction order and molecularity, and write rate constant expressions. Arrhenius equation and collision theory. Apply the Arrhenius equation to calculate activation energy. Understand collision theory and its role in chemical kinetics. Catalysis. Comprehend the concept of catalysis and the role of catalysts in accelerating chemical reactions. Moderate weightage chapters 8 to 12%. Atomic structure, chemical bonding and molecular structure, solutions and colligative properties. Number 1. Atomic structure. Heisenberg's principle of uncertainty, de Broglie wavelength. Understand the principles governing the uncertainty of particle properties and the wave-particle duality of matter. Photoelectric effect. Grasp the phenomena related to the emission of electrons from a material when exposed to light. Line spectrum of hydrogen, radius, velocity, and energy of nth. Bohr orbital. Understand the Bohr model and its application in calculating properties of electron orbits. Number 2. Chemical bonding and molecular structure. Ionic and covalent bonding. Understand the nature of ionic and covalent bonds. Comprehend the characteristics of compounds formed by these bonds. VSEPR theory, hybridization. Understand molecular geometries using VSEPR theory. Grasp the basics of hybridization and its impact on molecular shapes. Intermolecular forces. Understand the forces between molecules and their impact on physical properties. Number 3. Solutions and colligative properties. Types of solutions. Understand different types of solutions based on solute-solvent interactions. Concentration units. Grasp various concentration units used in solutions. Colligative properties. Understand boiling point elevation, freezing point depression, and osmotic pressure. Recognize abnormal colligative properties. Low weightage chapters, 4%. Number 1. Electrochemistry. Basic concepts of electrolytic and galvanic cells. Understand the principles governing electrochemical cells. Nernst equation, qualitative understanding. Grasp the qualitative aspects of the Nernst equation and its role in predicting cell potential. Redox reactions. Recognize and understand basic redox reactions. Number 2. Nuclear chemistry. Basic introduction to nuclear structure, stability, and simple types of nuclear reactions. Understand fundamental concepts related to nuclear structure and stability. Recognize basic types of nuclear reactions. Tips for physical chemistry. Develop strong problem-solving skills for equilibrium calculations, gas laws, reaction kinetics, and colligative properties. Understand the underlying principles of thermodynamics and be able to apply them to solve problems. Visualize molecular structures and intermolecular forces to understand physical properties. Practice calculations involving units and conversions to avoid errors. Remember, mastering these chapters requires both theoretical understanding and extensive problem-solving practice. Prioritize the high-weightage chapters, but maintain a balanced approach for a comprehensive preparation strategy. Section B. Inorganic chemistry has a weightage of 28 to 32%. Breakdown of the weightage and chapters for inorganic chemistry. High weightage chapters, 16 to 20%. Number 1. P-block elements. Group 13 to 18 trends in properties. Understand the trends in properties across these groups. Group 15, nitrogen oxides, phosphorus compounds focus on the chemistry of nitrogen oxides and various compounds of phosphorus. Group 16, sulfur and its oxides, sulfuric acid dive into the properties and reactions involving sulfur, its oxides, and sulfuric acid. Group 17, halogens and their compounds understand the properties of halogens and their compounds. Number 2. D-block elements. Coordination compounds. Structure, nomenclature, and isomerism. Master the intricacies of coordination compound structures, nomenclature, including UPAC, and isomerism, geometrical and optical. Bonding theories, crystal field theory. Understand the principles of crystal field theory governing bonding in coordination compounds. Oxidation states and important types of complexes. Grasp the concept of oxidation states in coordination compounds. Focus on important types of complexes like EDTA and Zeiss salt. Moderate weightage chapters, 8 to 12%. 1. P-block elements. Group 14, silicon and silicates understand the chemistry of silicon and silicate compounds. Group 18, noble gases explore the properties and reactions of noble gases. 2. F-block elements. Basic introduction to lanthanides and actinides. Familiarize yourself with the electronic configurations and general properties of lanthanides and actinides. 3. Metallurgy. General principles of extraction and refining of metals. Understand the fundamental principles behind the extraction and refining of metals. Understanding the Ellingham diagram and important reduction methods. Interpret the Ellingham diagram for assessing the feasibility of metal reduction reactions. Learn key reduction methods employed in metallurgy. Low weightage chapters, 4%. 1. Qualitative analysis. Understand the basic principles of qualitative analysis and identification of common cations and anions. 2. Industrial chemistry. Brief overview of important industrial processes such as the Haber process, Solvay process, etc. Tips for inorganic chemistry. Build a strong understanding of the periodic table and trends in atomic properties. Learn to write balanced chemical equations for important reactions involving S-block and P-block elements. Master the nomenclature and isomerism of coordination compounds. Understand the basic principles of metallurgy and be familiar with common extraction methods. Remember, while prioritizing high weightage chapters is crucial, maintaining a basic understanding of moderate and low weightage chapters is essential for a well-rounded approach. Practice solving problems related to each chapter to reinforce your conceptual understanding. Section C. Organic Chemistry, 32 to 36% weightage. Breakdown of the weightage and chapters for Organic Chemistry. High weightage chapters, 20 to 24%. Hydrocarbons, functional groups, organic reaction mechanisms, stereochemistry. Number 1. Hydrocarbons. Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Understand the structures and nomenclature of these fundamental hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons. Grasp the structure, nomenclature, and reactions of aromatic hydrocarbons. Focus on electrophilic aromatic substitution, Markovnikov's rule in addition reactions, and E1-E2 mechanisms in elimination reactions. Number 2. Functional groups. Alcohols, phenols. Understand the structures and nomenclature of alcohols and phenols. Master characteristic reactions involving nucleophilic addition, elimination, and oxidation reduction. Aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters. Grasp the structures and nomenclature of these functional groups. Focus on characteristic reactions involving nucleophilic addition, elimination, and oxidation reduction. Number 3. Organic reaction mechanisms. SN2-E2 mechanisms. Understand the nucleophilic substitution and elimination reactions. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. Focus on mechanisms in Friedel-Crafts and Claisen condensations. Free radical reactions. Understand the halogenation reactions and polymerization involving free radicals. Number 4. Stereochemistry. Isomerism, structural and conformational. Grasp different types of isomerism in organic compounds. Chirality, configuration, RS nomenclature. Understand chirality and use RS nomenclature to designate configurations. Basic separation techniques. Familiarize yourself with common separation methods in organic chemistry. Moderate weightage chapters, 8 to 12%. 1. Amines. Structure, nomenclature, basicity. Understand the structures and nomenclature of amines. Master the concept of basicity in amines. 2. Ethers. Structure, nomenclature. Understand the structures and nomenclature of ethers. Compare ethers with alcohols. 3. Carbohydrates. Monosaccharides and disaccharides. Understand the structures and nomenclature. Learn about mutarotation and basic reactions involving carbohydrates. 4. Biomolecules. Basic understanding of proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Gain a fundamental understanding of the structure and function of proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Low weightage chapters, 4%. 1. Purification and characterization of organic compounds. Understand basic methods for purifying and characterizing organic compounds. 2. Heterocyclic compounds. Basic understanding of heterocyclic compounds like pyridine and pyrrole. Tips for organic chemistry. Master the mechanisms of key reactions and be able to predict them based on functional groups and reaction conditions. Practice visualizing molecules and reactions in 3D to understand stereochemistry clearly. Learn to identify common reagents and name products correctly. Remember, organic chemistry requires a balanced approach of theory and practice. Focus on understanding reaction mechanisms and practice solving a variety of problems to reinforce your knowledge. Tips for success. This is a general breakdown of weightage based on past trends and might vary slightly in the actual exam. Focus on the high weightage chapters first and then go for moderate and low weightage topics depending on your time and understanding. Understand the underlying concepts and apply them to solve problems. Utilize diagrams and visualizations for better understanding. Practice time management for efficient exam performance. By focusing on the most important topics and practicing consistently, you can improve your understanding of chemistry and score well in JEE Main 2024. Remember, a strong foundation in basic concepts and the ability to apply them logically is key to success. As you gear up for JEE Mains 2024, stay focused, stay determined, and best of luck with your preparation. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy studying.